again we are discussing sustainability. We had a webinar series in which a lot of experts expressed their views about sustainable development. United Nations has framed its network of sustainability with Sustainable Development Goals. There are 17 goals and 169 targets. Various countries have adopted it. As far as UAE is concerned, it has done exceptionally well in 3 SDGs, that is SDG 1, no poverty, SDG 2, zero hunger, and SDG 17, partnership for the goals. For coming era, the focus of UAE is on 3 SDGs, that is SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, and SDG 13, climate action. UAE is trying to improve its efficiency of consumption by about 40%. It is anticipated that renewable energy will have 50% of its contribution for power generation and 70% reduction in the carbon emission by 2050. Similarly, India is also working on various sustainable development goals. Being a huge country, there is a huge demand of the power and energy. India is trying to have 450 gigawatt renewable energy power by 2030. That will reduce dependency on fossil fuels, and the CAGR ratio is supposed to increase by about 15.7%. The pandemic has impacted the funding and the focus towards SDGs, because the current focus of all the governments is towards the development of vaccination and taking care of the population. But eventually the whole focus will come back on sustainable development. The panelists also notified the key areas which need to get focused to give push to sustainable development are: 1. Creating awareness, creating motivation for stakeholders to participate in that, enforcement of regulations, and adoption of new technology. How it's going to work, we'll see in our upcoming videos. Thank you.